Hiya, welcome to another video. We're in Plymouth. It's a sort of sunny slash rainy spitty day. We're going to take the Fimi out because we think it's the sort of weightiest drone that will do the best job with the conditions. It's a little bit windy. We're going to try and fly over there and see if we can get a good view of Plymouth Sound and not annoy the Navy ship that is basically to my right. So if they shoot us down, you know what's happened. Right, okay, oh, hang on. I haven't put an SD card in to the Fimi, so 2 seconds. Hang on a second. Right. I brought one with me earlier, so don't worry. I'm half prepared as usual. So, let's have a look in here, see what we got. Right, so basically this is another good thing to show you actually. Basically the SD card goes in the side here. You need a half decent one to record in 4K. I've got like a class 10 and it seems to be okay. Right, okay, so that's in. It's happy with that now. Let's press record. Oh, actually no. I'm going to turn off record. I'm going to check my settings as I always do. And I want to set it to video quality high. Here we go, high, and click off because it never comes off otherwise. I would like to put it in some sort of S-log mode today, but I don't know if I can. There's like a colour, there's an F-log. Right, come out, and I want to try that out. Now this may ruin the video unbelievably, but let's give it a go. But basically that means I've got to colour grade this video in post. So let's start the recording. Let's do a takeoff, and let's hope it doesn't fly into me. So it could. So hang on, bring it back down. It's very windy. Very windy today. Hang on. What am I doing? Getting a good view of that? Right. So anyway, let's spin it round. Hang on. Right, so I'm going to spin it round, look out to Plymouth Sound, and then we'll go up, and we'll take it out. Basically, here we go. So it should. Let's hope the seagulls are feeling friendly today. Take it up a bit higher. Whoa. Definitely fun with seagulls today. So let's go higher than that. So we want to go up as high as we can really. Emsie approves. So here we go. Right, she's sort of, although I doubt she can see it with her little eyes now. But yeah, what we want to try and do is see if we can fly out over the sound. Let's just try and cinematically. I know I tend to yaw too much. I'm going to avoid the boats nearby. Right, try and adjust my antennas to get a good. So I want to get high up. The good thing is you get very good line of sight here because you can. There's no real obstructions in the way, so that's quite a nice thing, really. Yeah, so we're just. Yeah, so it's a bit of a windy day, so let's hope we don't have too many problems. Let's hope we don't get any seagulls attacking, because seagulls do attack, and if they think that the Fimi is a threat to their fish, they could attack. So let's see if we've got. So we're in flight. We sort of had ideas of making it to Smeaton's Tower, because we can sort of see that in a distance here from us. So we kind of have line of sight to it, but I'm not sure we will get as far as that today, but we can give it a go, certainly. Yeah, the FPV's updating. I think the FPV doesn't look like it's updating because you are, you know, quite far from the drone. So, and also it's quite a long distance. So let's have a look. Going quite well though. seems to be on target for the big lighthouse. But let's give it a go. If we can fly over there, see if we can make it. You can't actually see it on the camera because the point is slightly away from it, but yeah, we can see it quite clearly in front of us, and that's what we're making a beeline for. But we need to make sure that we keep this controller pointed at the drone, because it needs very good it needs a very good line of sight with it. So let's keep an eye. It's flying out. Yeah, I think we're getting good. I might go over here in a second. So I want to keep line of sight. Every so often just do a little turn just to sort of make sure that I'm not just seeing you know, a froze screen. But it's coming, you know, it's going across, no problem. Some people would say you should go closer to it, but we weren't sure if we were allowed. I mean, like setting off from nearer it. Yeah. The boat is sort of chasing after the drone now, which is a little bit of a worry. The sort of navy ship. Hopefully it's not after our drone. I should imagine it's got bigger fish to fry than us. But you know, it's a slight worry, isn't it? Slight concern. We won't go in too close to the tower. We just want to kind of give you a view of it and then come back. Okay, yeah. So you can see Plymouth Sound here. If I just turn to the left, you know, you've got Drake's Island just coming up over. So yeah, it's Drake's Island over there. There's probably a warship somewhere below it, heading for it. Hopefully it's not intent on going anywhere near our drone, but I don't think it is. But yeah, right, I might drop the camera down slightly to get a good view in. So you can see sort of Plymouth Sound coming in there. See the hoe. I doubt there's anyone in the Lido today, so I think we'll be all right. But yeah, good view of the shore there. Amazing view of it. We don't want to go too close to the sort of main part of the hoe, because we don't want to clatter into anybody, which I don't think we will. So yeah, so we're doing all right. We're doing all right. The annoying thing is the ship seems to be turning to a similar direction as us. You can't see it. It's probably underneath the drone. But what we'd like to do is sort of move away really from the destroyer, which I should imagine is not interested in our drone one bit, but who knows, maybe they are. But you don't really want to go anywhere near the boat. So I'm just going to fly out over the Sound a little bit, and I'll just turn round in a second when I'm back over here, and just see if I can get basically a good view of it, and let's just sort of move around. I don't want to point towards the ship. Oh, that's me. Sorry, that's me yawing all around. I should be much more careful. So there's Mountbatten there. It's Mountbatten there. Don't know what's going on with that. But some sort of weird like lights there. Right, okay. So I'm trying really careful to avoid that ship, because I don't want like a surface to air missile to take us out really. I don't think that'll occur, but you never know. But you never know when they're going to test out some sort of jamming equipment. Yeah, not sure we should be looking at that ship. Anyway, let's go back to the Sound. It's very windy. I expect the Sound to probably be pretty bad, but we're doing okay. We're heading back out towards the lighthouse. Yeah, they're not interested in us. It's just our ego that makes us think that they are. Right, okay. So, yeah. So just want to show you the shoreline, really. And I wanted to test filming in F-Log and see if I can colour grade this video later. So either this will turn out as a very terrible mess. Oh, hang on. FPV is not the best. signal is not great. Maybe they are jamming us, who knows? They probably think I'm following the ship. I have no interest in you. Okay, well, right. So there's Mountbatten. Don't know what's going on there. New Worlds. Yeah, we'll probably bring it back in now. But yeah, I just wanted to do a bit of a fly around the Sound. But to be honest, it's not the best weather today for it. But yeah, it's doing okay. We haven't been shot down, so I think we can call that a victory over the Navy. Right. So let's see if we can just show you a bit. So we're in Jennycliff and we've flown out over and basically now we're flying back over the Sound back towards Jennycliff basically. Where are we? So I think we'll be over here. Yeah, I can see us, yeah. Right, so yeah, we're just flying back to where we were. But yeah, it was a nice little fly out towards I don't want to get too close to the tower there, but I hope you got a nice little view of it. It's a shame it's not a sunny day. It's kind of going in and out of cloud and sun and, really. So I might, So I might set this to return to home and let's hope it lands on the landing pad again. So let's see whether return to home is available to us. It is, and I'm going to set it to return to home. So now, barring any attacks by seagulls, we should basically see the drone coming back. It's just out over there. It's hard to make out with the camera, but we can make it out. So basically it's flying back and hopefully it will land. And I need to try and you've got to keep your controller pointed towards the drone really. If you don't, then you can lose FPV. But the drone will record its footage and you will see on the drone's footage it coming back no problem. Its video won't be disturbed in any way, but it's a signal back to your phone that is choppy. So if you don't make these antennas are directional, so you have to basically point them towards the drone. If you point them this direction, you get bad signal. So especially when there's a bit of distance between you and the drone. So basically it's coming back towards us now. It's quite close to us. So it should come back into land, hopefully land on the landing pad. But it's a shame that we just haven't had very good weather lately. So basically today is, it's been sunny on occasions and dark and grey on other occasions, and this is what's happened unfortunately. But basically it should be coming in pretty soon. It's basically coming over us now. Should hear it soon. Yeah, there it is. It's coming over. So hopefully it will land on the landing pad and we'll have no issues. But let's see how we get on, because our luck with landing pads and drones have been spotty at best. And here we go. Yeah, it's just above us now, it's hovering, so it should land. But yeah, hopefully the footage will... landing pad not detected, of course. Right, I'm going to drop the camera down and that should give us sort of a view of the landing pad. And let's just see. I mean, I don't think the drone uses this camera to find the landing pad, but hopefully, I don't know whether I should move closer or further away, but hopefully we can give you a view of the drone. We'll probably bring it down, then we'll stop it from landing if we don't think it's going to land. And just give you a view of the drone on the camera and see if you just have a little look around it, as we usually do. If it lands on my head, you'll probably see it. Here we go. Just coming down. Oh, the wind is loving it today. I didn't want to let it land there because it was hitting the grass. Right, let's turn it round. Bank it off. Hang on, bank it off. So you can see how windy it is today. So, but there you go, you can see the drone in all its glory. Although, to be honest, it's a bit of a Bit of a hard thing to see in this drone. Don't worry, Rach, I'll back it off if it comes too close to you. Look at it, struggling with it. Right, I'm going to take it up. In fact, I'm going to have to land it manually, I think. Ooh, 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 ooh. Very hard to land, but I want to land on concrete if I can, really. You know, if I can't land on the landing pad, then I'd rather land on concrete. But I'm not too bad at landing drones, so let's give it a go. Get it down low, move forward. See how well I can land this. Maybe we should get the camera, see how well we can land this drone. If you can you see it? I don't know. Not quite, not quite. It is very blustery today. I imagine that's how, like, you know, the pilots would do it. And it's just started raining pretty heavily, so we're probably going to have to end the video with that. But thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please, you know, do anything you can, really. To be honest, the rain tends to come and go, so I expect it'll stop pretty quickly. But yeah, please like our videos, please subscribe to the channel, please, because you know, we appreciate you watching our videos, and you know, it gives us a sort of courage and you know, determination to come out in these sort of conditions and film, maybe stupidly, but thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please tell your friends, please tell your pets, please tell your enemies, your friends, your enemies' friends, everybody. Please, please, please. We'll see you again on the next video.